Hello friends, accounting and billing is an integral part of every business. Accordingly, every business, be it big or small, needs an application software to handle the accounting activities. On this channel, Digician, we are exploring on the ideas and solutions through which you can start your own digital business. In this video, we are going to explore a SaaS module, a SaaS application through which you can launch your accounting and billing application software digital business. And this software is very prominent that we are going to discuss is called AccountGo, and this is available in SaaS model, even in non-SaaS model. So when you are trying to provide the solution for your clients, you can use the SaaS model, or if you wish to use for your own business, you can go for non-SaaS model. So pricing are simply for SaaS model, you just need to spend $29, whereas for direct accounting and billing tool for your business, you can say you just need to spend $19. And both these applications are well established and can be bought on Code Canyon through the video description link, and it has got a very good reviews from its existing users. I'm quickly going to show you all the screens, how the data flows in the system, and assume yourself as the super admin of this solution. I mean, you are providing the solution to businesses. I'm going to show you different interface like business, login, and the super admin and user and all. So be with me until the end of this video so that you may understand the complete data flow and decide to launch such a great business to provide accounting solutions for business. Especially if you are targeting a startup business, this can be a very good solution because you are going to provide a solution in a very nominal price. Here I am at super admin panel login, and I am logged in as super admin. Okay, and the dashboard is showing all the insights what is going inside the system, and we can start with the settings. So in the setting area, you have to do one-time activities. When you are offering this solution, you can white label the solution. Of course, you can upload your own logo, you can define your business, and all the customization can be done from this screen. Like brand setting is here, you can upload the sidebar, change the sidebar, system settings, the languages, the currencies, and all that you want to offer or that you want to use for the system. In the system setting area, we have the default language, date formats, registrations enabling, and the currency, the cookie settings that can be very important, pusher settings if you want to use the push notification, SEO settings, the cache setting, and the storage setting, how you are going to store the data. You can either use your local server storage or AWS, Amazon Web Services, or Wasabi for storing the data, whatever you plan you have. So you can simply integrate the storage locations by using credentials that you'll get from the solution provider. By default, you can store the data at your hosting at your server. Similarly, we have cookie setting, pusher setting, SEO setting, cache setting, storage setting, email setting, notification, Google reCAPTCHA, and webhook settings. For the bank transfer settings, since it is a SaaS module, so you need to show the payment information to collect payment through the system. So Stripe is well integrated here. You just need to have a active Stripe account to receive the payments. Further, you can use PayPal as payment gateway, and even the direct bank transfer options are available here. So you can go for a Stripe setting and the PayPal setting, whatever is applicable for you. Once you complete this setting, you can simply start offering the solution to the prospective clients. So let us dive in the other areas of the application. Here is the users. Users means the system users that who are working with you at this module. I mean your team members. In the help desk, we have the tickets where the clients who are using the software can raise tickets, and you are going to handle those tickets. So you can check the ticket details, basically the support they need, and you can handle the ticket and the category, billing, and whatever may be the ticket status, you can reply accordingly. The categories of ticket can be created. The subscriptions for your clients can be created here like subscription settings area. So you can offer the solution for free or for a certain price. For initially for basic modules, you can offer free solutions so that you may get the optimum registration at your application. Being a SaaS module, you can divide the prices, you can distribute the prices aligned with the features that you wish to offer. Like total features are in the professional plan, or you can create of course new plan, and the free features have limited offerings. You can create coupons. Similarly, you can set up the bank transfer request and other things. In the CMS area, you can set up the landing page. Of course, the whole activity is going to be happen on a landing page where the buyers, where the clients are going to use the registration or start the subscription. So I'll show you the landing page. This is the landing page, I think. Okay, so this is the landing page where your client is going to register. Like they can go to the dashboard, or they can explore the pricing, other details, and what are the features available, so that they may subscribe your application. And of course, you are going to rename this application, and this is going to be your website like thing where you are selling this application software, right? We have custom pages like we can set up the about us, privacy policy, the terms of service, and help center. Further, you can add new pages as well. This is the area where you can create new page, and you can write the page details. It can be shown on the menu or wherever required. CMS is basically for handling the front-end website, you can say. The email templates is going to be used when the different transaction with different activities are going to be happen and what you want to say. So you can change the text. It is completely customizable. You can use the short codes for handling the dynamic data, and you can change the text as well. Notification templates are here, and the media library, what you are going to use for your website or the front end application. So this is all. As an admin, you don't have to do much things. You just need to earn the money using this application software. In the different login, like if I show you the customer login, the company login who are using this application, it can be more clear how the system is working. Now I am logged in as company who are using the software, the main users whom you are offering the solution. So assume yourself as user now, the company owner. So the account dashboard is showing all the insights, of course, the received recent revenue, the recent expenses are the main thing in the accounting. Further, in the user area, within the company who are using the there might be a staff, client, or vendor. So the role and permissions can be granted by the company owner who are using. So like what permissions are allowed to staffs, like permissions, manage dashboard and product and services. So all detailed option for handling the permissions, who and what can be done through their login. So like it is of detailed and comprehensive control of permissions. It is very important thing what permission you want to allow to a staff, managers, and other users within the company. So user management is very important thing. Further, all the users can be handled through this screen. You can add a new user, like this is a simple form to create new user within the company, and you can create in number of users. There is no restriction. And further, there are other modules like proposal. Of course, in a company there is a proposal thing which is very important for billing. So the first instance is proposal, and here you can create proposal. So this is a screen where all the details of a proposal can be seen along with the price. So as a user of this software, the company owner or the user, you can create new proposals. You can check the existing proposals and further customize or edit the details, of course. So this is like proposal accepted. You can download the PDF invoice, you can view the invoice, you can check the details, and what is the status of proposal, like accepted, sent, draft, rejected, and all can be seen here. Proposal is the first thing that I believe should be used for handling the accounting activities or overall the sales activities. Here are the sales invoices, and undoubtedly you need this for every company. So sales status can be either posted, draft, or partials, and you can of course check the details or download the PDF. The download PDF option gives us all the details when you are willing to have the sales invoice at your local machine. Sales invoice returns is another activity, or we can say another module, which can be handled through this screen. So the screen shows all the details and it is editable as given in the permission. Next, we have the purchase area where we can have the purchase invoices. The purchase invoices are also very clear and very effective. It works very effectively. So like post invoice, download PDF option are here, the invoice items and the product details, quantity, unit price, the discounts, tax, and the total amount can be seen easily here. In the purchase area, we have purchase returns and the warehouse and the transfers, so that you can handle the purchase activities. Next is the product and services that you are offering. I mean, of course, you as you are assuming yourself as company owner. So these are the products and the services that you are offering and for which the billing will be done. So like you can add new products. So you can add stocks in the product or you can add new products. So the add stock area goes to the inventory, like how many laptops are there, and you can take action. So you can increase the volume in a selected warehouse and the quantity what is available there. So this is very important for inventory management system. And when we are handling further the items, so we can add new items using this simple screen. So this is very important again, like product, service, or the part. So there are three categories. You can create new one as well. You can use the SKU, or you can use the dynamic SKU that can be generated with the system, and you can select the tax slab that is applicable and further the category of the product. And this is a very good screen where you can upload all the products and the services within your company that you want to offer. The system setup is the area where you can handle the system setup, like the category of the products and the taxes and the units that you want to use. So again, this is particularly for products only. In the next module, we have retainers. So retainer modules are now very popular in business arena. So if you are offering retainer services, the retainers details can be handled, like this is the retained items, the product, jeans and all. So it works like the product and services, but it is available separately. So retainer payment will be handled separately in the system. So this is a very good thing, and it has been separated in the system so that you may maintain the system very clearly. Accounting is the main module, of course, and here we have the customers. You can add any number of customers. I'll say there is no limitations, and you can keep adding the customers. You can view the report of existing customers, what they are doing. Like this is the detail of a particular customer, like sales invoices raised in the name of customer, sale returns, and the credit notes, customer payments and all. So this is a very comprehensive screen where you can check all the details of a particular customers. Like you can check customers, you can add new customers. So this is the screen where you can add new customers, the company name, email details and all the credentials, and you can keep adding customers. Similarly, we have vendor screens, so where we can add vendors, and in the banking module we can handle the bank accounts that we are going to use within the company. Bank transfers are here, bank transaction and transfers. Chart of accounts is a very important part for handling the accounting modules. So I am not an accounting person, so I cannot explain this, but yes, chart of accounts are very important thing that you can use. Similarly, we have vendor payments, customer payments and revenue and expense, debit notes, the credit notes and the reports. And further we have the system setup for the accounting module. And I'm sorry for the background noises if you are it is irritating you, so it is not in my control, but I wish to focus on our goal. So the next module is goal, of course. So goal is the thing where you can decide, where you can set up what you are going to achieve in the future in terms of finances, the what are the progress, the target date, and the priority. So you can set new goals, of course, using this screen, the goal name, the category, where you can set the target growth like career growth, health and fitness, financial. So this is very interesting thing that has been included in the system, and it works as a standalone module. So you can set the milestone, the contributions, the tracking, and the category. Next, we have in the next module we have the budget planner, where we can set the budget periods and the budget. Of course, budget allocations are here, so you can set new budget and budget allocations, how you are going to distribute the revenue, and the budget monitoring system is also here. This is good. Next module has double entry, which is again a very deep accounting part. So double entry is the thing where you can have the ledger summary, the trial balance, and the balance sheets. So the trial balance is here. So the trial balance, you can generate new trial balances as required, and so suppose you select the date range and you can generate the trial balance and even download as a PDF. Next is the balance sheet. So for filing the returns, balance sheet is very important, and it is available again in very comprehensive. So you can either download the balance sheet or finalize, or all the things are here. Next module, under the double entry, we have the profit and loss and reports. So if double entry is here, reports, the comprehensive reports is here. You can generate the report within the date range. You can select the general ledger, the accounting statement, account balance, cash flow, and expense report. Whatever is required, you can run as reports. The next module is assets. Under assets, we have assets. What are the assets available within the company, and you can create new assets. So this is the screen where you can create new assets like purchase date, category, serial code, unit price, and warranty period. So this is for asset management system within the company. Further, we have assignments, whom the assets are assigned, the location, the maintenance, the depreciations, and the category. So this is a complete asset management module that is available within the system. The contracts. So what contracts are going with the clients can be handled here. Is the next module. The contract types are here. In the media library, we can keep the files what we are going to use. The system messenger is the system where you can have interaction in form of chat with your team within your organization. So this is internal chat module. The plan, the setup subscription plan and all. So this is basically for SaaS thing, and setup is also here. So for a company screen can be white labeled and all. So this is very comprehensive thing, and it is available, just all these things are available just for $19 or $29. I am surprised. So it is really. So you might be wondering how you can have this application software. The process is very simple. You just need to buy the application software at codecanyon.net through the video description link. It is important to buy the solution through the video description link because that is an affiliate link, and the original developers of this application software are WalkDo. They are elite author at the Envato market, that is on Code Canyon. Once you purchase the software in a new account, you have to create a new account before you go for buying this application. Like just add to cart and create a new account. Don't use existing accounts. So the affiliate commission does not work in that case. And once you make a purchase, you will go to the digital BE website. Again, the link has been given in the video description. Either you can have the support from the developers who are the original developers. I am saying they are the original developers. I am just overviewing the application in this video, and the service provider like digital BE is going to help you in another way. So this is the website where you can reach. You can go to the startup tab, and and you can request a setup for the complete application for your organization or for a SaaS model. So you just need to fill this start details and you'll get a form here. Let us turn vision into plan. The form takes a while in loading. You can fill the form details and start onboarding with the experts. So you can even start a direct chat to get support and for further discussion about the application software you can choose, and you will definitely get well support. You can explore other services, like if you want to have, like, you want to launch a website, you want to have a quotation, direct quotation, like development codes and SEO codes, all are available. So this is a comprehensive company that offers all the solutions in front, in terms of digital solutions, the complete solutions and all, right? So coming back, now I am going to show you the next screen, next login. So now I am logged in as customer. So the module, this complete application also offers the login for customers. So there is this is a rare thing that remains available, but this application gives the customer login as well, where customers who are the service takers who are getting the services from the company can log in and check their details. So this is good. And so account dashboard is here, proposal that had been sent by the company, retainers, the accounting, the contract, and the media library and the messenger. So there they can even directly chat with the company who are providing the services. This is very good. And finally, I wish to show you the vendor login. So this vendor login is also available separately, where the vendors are going to log and interact with the company of service provider, and all the details, all the transaction can be done by the vendor to the company, to the super admin and all. So this is a end-to-end solution for handling the accounting module, of course, and you can explore this solution at your own through the credentials given in the link. And yes, so link is available in the product description page, and I'm going to add the link where you can buy the solution. Don't worry about the solution, it is a well tested and well being used application software you can offer to your clients, and at a very nominal price your clients are going to have this application software in every possible manner in which they are going to handle their accounting. You can check all the details, and I am sure you are going to explore another videos as well, how you can set up your digital business, how you can start your digital solutions. So digital is for you. You can start a direct chat with a mentor who can help you in understanding all the things, how you can set up your business, and even how you can have a application software for your existing business. In the next video, I'm coming with more solutions for you. Till then, goodbye, but don't miss to subscribe and pressing the bell button. Thank you.